Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. I was recently having a discussion with two individuals about how important bookkeeping is for small businesses and nonprofits. And they were really gung ho saying, both of these sectors need bookkeeping. It's so important. And I interjected to say, don't forget about accounting. And usually, with both small businesses and nonprofits, usually accounting is the number one piece that gets missed. Everyone thinks, okay, I need a bookkeeper. However, we forget about accounting. And both of these individuals ask, well, what is the difference? What is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting? So let's define what is bookkeeping and what is accounting. Bookkeeping is the organization and recording of the financial data. So I usually say those are the administrative tasks, such as creating purchase orders. If you're using Square or Shopify, looking at that data, putting in orders, maybe putting in your pricing, creating invoices. If you invoice your clients, paying bills electronically, if you're using an accounting software, coding or categorizing your bank and credit card transactions, that's part of bookkeeping. Also, bank and credit card reconciliations are also part of the bookkeeping task. So that is bookkeeping, the organizing and recording of financial data. Now, accounting is the textbook terminology is interpreting the financial data. And what that means is reviewing your financial statement. So you're reviewing, asking yourself questions about the financial numbers that you're looking at. What are the numbers telling you? So you should be asking yourself, did we make a profit? What product or service made a profit? What product or service did not make a gross profit? Why not? Why is expense either low or high? Were there any external factors that affected our revenue or even our expenses? So, for instance, that could be inflation. There could be an issue with a vendor. There could be even issue with the weather, depending on your business. So these are the questions that you should be asking when you are interpreting, reviewing the financial data. And in that accounting piece, what that means is you should be looking at your financial statement. So someone should be creating a profit and loss statement for you, a balance sheet. There could be other documents too. So you could be looking at your budget versus actual. So those are the type of tasks that falls under accounting. So as you can see, there is a difference between bookkeeping and accounting, and you want to make sure that you're actually doing both. Both are so important. So you have the bookkeeping, that's the recording of the data, organizing. Then the next level is, okay, you have all the numbers, they're concise, they're in the financial statements. What story are they telling me? So as you can see, bookkeeping, accounting is more than just getting QuickBooks. So you need to have those two steps. You need to have the bookkeeping along with the accounting, the interpreting, the reviewing of those financial statements. So let us know, drop in the comment section, what area does your organization, your small business or nonprofit need to focus on? Is it the bookkeeping or the accounting? Make sure you share, comment, and like, and we'll see you next time.